some gas, and there is a reverse flow. A reverse flow is possible because you have got NRV here. I would say that reverse flow is not possible due to the check valve. Am I right?
Right.
And also the flare head pressure is a max at normal operation. It's 0.05 to 5 psi. And then even the emergency situation is ESD zero active. The overall header pressure reaches max as 45 to 50 psi. So
Okay, so main flare header, what is the design pressure? Operating pressure.
the operating pressure is normally 0.
Atmospheric. And check valve. Check valve is placed in the line. So guys, yes, I mean you have a check valve. Probably the designer who has done the first time design, I think they have considered there may be some possibility of little reverse flow, but you have a check valve. So the reverse flow from main header to the bullet is not possible. I am just ruling out. Not possible. Okay. Misdirected flow. Is there any possibility of misdirected flow? No, because line is a linear direction, and there is no possibility of misdirected flow. And these valves are respective. Yes,
so what you see is that if the vessel has to be somebody needs to go into it or anything, then they would have to do positive isolation. Then they would not just rely on that check valve. So everything will be positively isolated if any intrusive work needs to be done.
Yes,
I think that should be part of standard procedure, isn't it?
Yes, that will be covered. But I'm just wondering, is there any possibility of misdirected flow? No, right, Umarson?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't think.
No. Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Kumar.
It's
No,
okay.
yeah.
Well, I think strictly speaking, there is possibility because we have branches going somewhere else, but it's also covered by our operating procedure, right?
I think no branch. If you see here.
No, check that vent
Yeah, of
line.
course. We have branches coming from every bullet into a header.
Yeah, but there's
okay, this one. Huh?
removable. Each bullet has its own removable spool, though.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So, and then there's a spec blind there to swing. So to positively isolate that, you would swing that spec blind and drop out the removable spool.
You are right. Misdirected, yes. Misdirected flow.
And we could note, add a comment to suggest that the positive isolation would be